Hi there, this is Ian, and welcome to my review of Leisure Objects. Now, I've done quite a few reviews of a variety of websites online. Anyone that's actually caught any of these reviews will know that I'm a typical Scotsman. You know, I don't like spending a great deal of money. I'm always looking for a saving. I'm always looking for a discount. Now, the reason for my review of Leisure Objects is it's quite simple. My brother is a very keen camper. He loves outdoor pursuits, etc. Now it's his birthday soon. I had no idea what to buy him, and it was just a chance chat with my mum the other day, and she advised that he was going on and making a big deal that his flashlight had broken. He needed a new one. I says to my mum, leave it with me. I'll look into that, and that would be a possible birthday present. Now, I did some research online and I came across Leisure Objects. Now, I'll basically show you what I did here. I just opened up the site and right away I was impressed with all the savings right across the board. Offers and savings and more offers. Now, he was looking for the flashlight. Now, could I get a cheap flashlight? Could I get a cheap torch? Something that he could use outdoors. Now, I looked at the first one. Now, right away, it was a 30% saving. Normal price £30.64, being sold here for £21.45. As I was saying, 30% saving. So let's just click on it, have a look. Okay, so I scrolled down slightly, just to give me an idea of the spec. Had a look through that. Oh, looked pretty good. Scrolled up, had a look at the features. Yep, yet again, all looked pretty good to me. Especially if I was saving 30%. So I went ahead and actually I bought it for him. Now it's not his birthday until next week, so I hope he appreciates it. I'm sure he will, but maybe not as much as I'll appreciate saving 30%. Now with that 30%, I can use that for a Christmas present, maybe get him something there. All in all, I would say this was a pretty good website, if you're looking for any outdoor equipment, etc. Not only looking for the equipment, but looking for it at good value, at savings, at prices that's affordable to you. Now, I hope you enjoyed my review.